Hello friends, today we will discuss about material calculation of M20 grade of concrete where 20 is the characteristic strength of cement which is 20 Newton per mm square. As per IS code we know that M20 ratio is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 where 1 is for cement, 1.5 is for fine aggregate or sand, 3 is for coarse aggregate. So we will calculate the amount of materials for 1 cubic meter. For that we need to find the dry volume because all the materials are available in dry condition. So we know that dry volume is equal to 1.54 or 1.57 times of weight volume of concrete. So dry volume will be 1.57 into weight volume. So our dry volume will be 1.57 cubic meter. Now we will find the sum of all the ratio. So 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 is equal to 5.5. Now we have all the things which are required for the calculation of material quantity. Now we will calculate the amount of cement. So volume of cement will be ratio of cement divided by sum of ratio into dry volume. So here we put it 1 the ratio of cement, 5.5 the sum of ratio we calculated, and multiply by dry volume. So it will be 0.2854 cubic meter. The volume comes in cubic meter. So but in market cement are available in kgs. So for finding how many kgs we need dry density of cement. So dry density of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. So we will multiply it in volume. So 0.2854 multiplied by 1440 is equal to 410.976, which is near around 411 kg. But we have required how many bags will be consumed in 1 cubic meter concrete, because in marketplace cement are available in bags. So we know that in one bags 50 kg cement consumed. So we divide the total weight, we divide the total weight by 50 kg. So we will find 8.22, which is near around 8 bags. So total 8 bags will be consumed in 1 meter cube M20 concrete. So now we will find the volume of sand or fine aggregate. Sand volume will be calculated same as cement. The ratio of sand divided by sum of all ratio multiplied by dry volume. So 1.5 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.57 is equal to 0.4282 cubic meter. Okay. Now we will calculate the volume of coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate volume will be calculated same as previous. The ratio of coarse aggregate divided by sum of all the ratio multiplied by dry volume. So 3 divided by 5.5 multiplied by 1.57 is equal to 0.8564 cubic meter. So by this we can calculate the quantity of cement sand aggregate in 1 cubic meter. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestion, then please comment it.